journey, the journey, the journey, the journey, the journey. Me do be asses and I watch you be a Brits na se near twetwe nkomo e wa fidi kase and then so nyame e de adom yenti ye hia ye ba be twetwe nkomo pa na watching there me dive more into the spirituality because abrabo no ni nyina e ka ho bi tie nya eye maame bi maame pa je say ne de Ghana ha ba spiritual na you cannot do without her say omra na o mechinetne ye no nchechwen no fa yemfa abrabo akontuo no say de ye ni pa dia ye kwa ye ba die eno so e ka abrabo no ho ne ye behia say ye nyina ye besua ade enti maame nan me ho enkoje aboafo enkrato me ba ye beda na edi e atwere mu nyina enko ba bia Yakwaji enkwato aba uguswa heard the journey ewo Adom TV and then so yeshia na ansa na meda me guest no edi no ma memfa asida PSA and my sponsors are eso ma saying na watch bi ametimi ni dwumade e bro e give us clean care o se oba siesie fie na efie enye kama give us say just say ube hohoro niam na wapopa fie na hobe yehwam dia eno ani give us product nti baby a obeko bia no na wapebi afa so time herbal mixture o se malaria de wajo an time eduru a say e chiri die malaria e hawa wo checking na wonya hu se wo malaria de wo hia anytime herbal mixture edek SM beaters abaso bema se niama enkoya misro kopebi na tese ginegina ho na bibia enye kama wia na de nya dua herbal mixture misro pebi nonumbi na bibia ebeye kama empanyefoi any ages black turmeric soap na yesi so very seminapa enko dware semina ebe ma o stretch marks na niam bi misro obu ho na oye be ma kwa na osundada na ne honam no empe aye semina eye hash enti misro onya ye black soap bia bibia ebetimi aboa ama na ye kama empanyefo we kunama entertainment na Adom TV and I did this season ebro baby bia owo na me guest no eye ye mame ye nyina ye friend Ola Maame. When it comes to soul travel in Ghana you cannot do without her and eye opanyi and ye nya na fidikase so yani ni ebe twetwe nkomo maame akwaba
ya me de
bibia boko
obodi adaro mananso
boko de di kan e ya na me hu ma when they are into spiritual way a omuta shefita me patcho e mo shenso di anase ejina ho emaden
okay me watiefo nyina me cheche obibia
patcho ye joso
atade fita de obidi nkunima no shefita.
Oh, okay.
And I think so no, it stands for purity. It stands if you are a spiritual person or a pastor, you should represent something. So it just stands for the light and purity. That's
light
all.
And purity. And exactly. I knew, but I say, you are so dear.
Exactly.
Actually, who you are. Me pacho Ola Maame eye hwan. The name say Ola Maame eye spiritual mother. Obwa just say enkofo pa omo haw ne de wo sunsun ne honama ni nyina na say ye de eno to nchen a hwan pa ni Ola Maame because aside to me kase aso mu no ohu ho no oye nipa foforo enti fa yemfa enum asa ya batu me kase hwan ni Ola Maame
Ola Maame de make I say I'm just a normal person me living my brother growing up. I've always been spiritual growing up, but one will say you don't know say do I have to work with it or do certain thing because now be our but I be seen any so oh yeah, growing up I wanted to be a chartered accountant, so because I was doing business and one way or the other the nyamia kana waka the asma say be so yeah then you can't run away from it. So I don't have much story to tell about myself because I am someone that I don't really remember my past like that because I always learn. Whatever happens, I learn and I let go. I always heal from certain things. So, Ola Maame, me Ghana ni, me papa free asimfo so me mama so free nyankomase. And I told me the my BC. Same range, you know. That's the little I can say about myself.
Okay. Yeah, but spirituality ewo Ghana, how is it like?
Beginning na ye no. Na ye nananom tetetete no be 16, 17 you for no. They were spiritual people because they were not under any form of religion, or and I say any form of rule. Bia say I say religion. I say obi na akwate wakonya nimdie bi, and I say wakonya eniswadi hunu bi no aka say bia adie we say ne yenye no. To say school is also a religion because it is bounded by rules.
Yeah.
They go by one particular things. See any bay obi anim the path. But as I show me my Ghana, Ghana, we are more religious than being spiritual because we love to be dependent on people rather than being independently. If you don't even listen to ourselves, say the intuition bibi can be trained krana onti ade ni besi anko beka say oh I bibi can be train me. And I say ade bi also no atena se din no analyze no obekwa ko friend so for. We are always dependent on people when it comes to spiritual stuff. So I would say we are more religious than spiritual.
Wow. When it comes to spiritual things, that deep. How deep is it? Say, let's say why you're so smart for? And if I watch some of your videos, or sometimes it's like you're possessed. A bit where you can go to the person and then tell you want to heal the person or do something for. And then where then I would say,
we all have our energies. Okay. Say, obiya wadiena obufuna or react. Krana, you are being possessed by the energy of anger. What I say? Because at that moment that is not you.
That's the
baby,
anger.
you know one no. Oh, that is not me. You know, I don't usually do certain things. It means something took over you.
Wow.
Sana,
that's deep.
yes. When you bros on I make you promise, but you sit down and realize, hey, and then so you were possessed by the energy of happiness.
Energy, yeah.
So when we talk about possession, it's about the particular energy that you are working with. It is not just about spiritual people and we have a possessions. Each and every day, yes, because everything that happens around us, energy. The person has been possessed by the energy of bragging.
Wow.
Okay, so when it comes to spirituality, me and come and say, we are powerful beings, all right, but if we are too powerful, we won't be in this body. It means we are here to learn, to unlearn, to relearn, to evolve, to understand certain things. Because there's no way the mother will send them to school. So meaning say they work school so life is a school. That is why maame ne papa bi se omombeye onyame wo wiase sanso na honhom nso no ye wo mu a omohunu de yen ni we ehun wo wiase omoboye ho ban entino when it comes to energy processing means the energy that I work with, the energy that are all guiding me, because that is my role to help people spiritually and physically. To say obi area ko hospital. Yes, exactly. At that moment, no, say doctor and the doctor is being possessed by the energy of intelligence. The okosuya, you know. So say if I'm helping someone spiritually, I am possessed by the energy that is working, that is within me. A person me yeah.
Me person minti bibia say bia memeto and then I come to you. Now we who bibi afa me ho.
Yeah.
Say na ya mo ho no. Is it like a picture? Is it like a video? Because ebinom ka third eye.
Yeah.
Is it the third eye? And I'm saying it here.
Everybody have a third eye, and you're just
obi.
Exactly.
Hey, and I young Hey, so what kind of chocolate I didn't Oh wow.
Yeah, obi our third eye. You see, no think I order and can so die.
Okay.
And I say bia untumi nya dream bi wo
senses.
Yes, so your intuition is your third eye. A third eye nenye hu say no can say unya third eye be say we here before we no it's your intuition. So we normally see with our intuition because you're sharpening our intuitions to be more stronger than one unya more spiritual no exactly. Into no say bia waba we have energies that speak to us. What I say to say the if you can use you don't know the information is being given to you.
To you too.
So the energies stand as the bridge between the seen and the unseen. Now I can't maybe our mobile communicate it to us and I say we will get
you sense it.
Yes, the energy. Obi wa kwa maybe at that moment it means the person is having a problem with the head. Into when you can't won't say
okay.
Oh yes.
Hey. Not just a me.
Yes, the energies have a different way of communicating
to you.
So it ain't me back. It has a different. We also have best one. Sometimes maintenance a consultation. Or more mobile bad day. You know, I won't say I see them in my dream. Tinipan then I've seen you before. Yes, it means that like this guy saw him say I has a minimum no, but me who need that.
Oh wow.
So once I look at so meaning say my soul have seen him, but physically I have not seen him.
Ola Maame no na ye ofia. Hey rade. Me se kame wo bia hunu me hunu nkofo gara. E bi se mennya bi.
O bi pa.
Sawa.
Obi ade am wo bi no.
O se me ba na eja. Okay, nti ye senses na yes no. Ene de me se Ola Maame this interview ye call it 2 weeks. Me da me ho akwaji abofo nkrato me ba sese enko bia. Yakoji enkwato aba Ugusua ehode Jenny owo Adom TV and my guest no eye Ola Maame, Queen of Soul Travel in Ghana and na yene no etwetwe nkomo wo fia nti bacha fe na watena se a gibre pa ne yesua ade Ola Maame me ba mu ewa ha se eya na ahonhom eso ahonhom hwa na spirit ni yenim se ye wo fita ye wo tuntum ene ye wo kokko en omo ka ma ne yese fita no eye dwo eye papa kokko ne tuntum ne de se ne ma me ne kokro ni bi ehenti eye na omo timi so omo ho hwe ana
sene outumi so ni pa hwe ne sanete
yes sa word no so to say ha
yeah as above so below as within so without the awareness so no any person say the awareness so the koda yem into the warriors no sana so they live life like the way we do because they are within us. They are not anywhere. When you are talking about realms is not about taking an elephant and going to outside of the country. Everything is within you because you are the universe. You are the creator and everything. So you can say, everything is within you. So if the energy that I have, I want to use it for bad things, it's become dark energy. So if I want to use
your energy no na etimi kire dia opese won fanye
exactly the whole energy is not it said your remote now we remote TV baby opese what it is frequency the energy will you vibrate on. If I'm vibrating on negative energy, the energy around me will be negative. Because I will use it for negative stuff. If I'm so wounded in Kofaya Minyoma Bebre and I feel like let me punish people for
what they've done.
Exactly. So I will vibrate on the energy of vengeance. So all the time now I will try to hurt people without thinking, and the energy so no the other case exactly. Into no so person nya papa mawa into nyankopon e bronsam they are the same thing. So
but it no de no ya papa e na bronsam so de tuaka.
No, so some me bo papa me na me bo bone. So I said anopa amba enwumre nya dey emba. So bone ne papa nyina it is meant to be part of yes, us. There's nothing like bone. There's nothing like papa. Ye illegal Ghana na nye legal abroche. So we determine the bone ma ye na ye determine the papa ma ye.
Oh okay. Me who say yeah, okoko different regions. Ensuo na wakosra no na wayesa are you not attracting other energies and I say intimi enyansunsanso bia because me believe we say I know that believe that ensuo bia wo ne suman any dia etim ebu I saw a bad time ebu I so you say and then you visiting all the waters no is it that you want extra to me and now you just want to serve now uncle worship you say I know you people are there so I just want to visit you. How is that one?
It's not about attracting different to me. It's about honoring them. Okay. It's honor. One will say you can't live without water. Water is everything. You can't hate water.
Yeah, water is life.
Exactly. And say we be nourish it needs water. So the earth cannot live without water.
So water
that's
is
the
everything.
Same way, exactly. Water cannot live without it. If you stroke so all the insurer visit no is to honor say omoda asasi so no boy because the energy of water is powerful. It helps mankind. It helps all the nature and everything because we need water to grow. We need water to grow plants and all these things. And the energies beyond insuno so beyond or better na oni nsuo ni communicate na tu nsuo ni din na o kire nsuo ni de wonye nti nsuo bia na de wotumi ye nsuo bi wo ho ye se ogbo odua obekun. That is a wounded water because maybe that energy have gone through things that are like I said nibuafu nti or he the energy yes, it's ready for vengeance. Anyway, you'll be also, and when you go for prosperity, it helps you because that energy, you know that maybe and your mahapang maybe your one you see like Abena Ghana so it's not going to favor you like that because the country itself needs healing. Because we are more betrayal, anger, selfishness and all these things. Exactly. But one way or the other, say cleaning is going to help you.
Exactly.
So intentionally not to semi power because I have it within me. I don't have to go outside for it. And I just went to honor because they are ancestors. Yes, I just want to honor them.
That's beautiful. Now say me who say only other spiritual people. It's me year program and it looks so beautiful. Ejuma biye mo ya na nipa ntanka because of competition. Oh, people that will be who say you're a competitor. And they will try any means to bring you down. And you come in, I mean, with other people after seeing what's happened, that we don't want to go there because it's not really important. And still open your doors to. I don't to make us say
Oh, I'm a shaman. I stand as a bridge between the seen world and then unseen world. I'm a healer. I heal emotional pain. So if I'm going through something and I'm not able to heal, it means that I am being fake.
But you can heal. But what's
yes, we are here to experience human beings. If I'm not able to experience, how am I going? The legacy being a major. So to me, let me hold to one
says and Miss Roni Penty, I will not be.
Yes, since you foul cry, you can't hit water. Car can't do betum. So any you say it's a journey
by the Nipan ABB.
Exactly.
So you
life
have
is a journey. The mere fact say how no doesn't mean say be how. You just
have to learn.
Exactly. So everything they do to me, I see it as a journey. I see it as a challenge to know how to control my anger, to know how patient that I can be, to know how maybe they come to cost me pain. And if truly I'm a healer, then I need to heal myself
before you can help someone.
Exactly. So I know they come as a challenge for me.
Okay, Mojumai, what are some of the challenges you go through?
Me personally, the challenges that I go through as a Nipa, you see, you love people, you bring people closer to you, and at the end of the day, they make you feel small, they betray you. That is basically the challenge that I faced. So, but when it comes to spiritually, I am fully protected.
So it's not easy to penetrate.
Exactly, because me being a buffalo is not easy. It's not easy. That is why they try physical. So when it comes to spiritual people, for now, there are so much enviness. That's why sometimes I ask myself, if you say you are a spiritual person and you are helping people, why do you have so much anger? Why do you have so much fear? Exactly. Why do you have so much jealousy? It doesn't make sense. So the people that come to you, what do you do for them? Because you yourself, you are soaked in anger. You are soaked in.
So what are you giving out?
Exactly.
I get
it. There are so many challenges that I don't really focus on. I'm always
positive now.
Exactly.
Positive now. And okay, say like Nipa Oya Papa, how do you heal from that? Because that thing is happening, and now it's making a lot of people change. Say Bianca, was so buana because of the essinity. Emma ebi so a ono so we asese nkobeboa but because of what is happening. So how do you heal from that?
One, if you understand your journey, I don't think say obi or bibi krana you are nipa it will hurt you. It will hurt you. But no nche say si ukwan say bia konum nsuo na nsuo atwu a ensi eno nsi ukwan say me no nsuo bio.
Ola Maame ya na nya ba ko. Aso bia sa no bia ti.
Yes, as no bia na me ka dey obi dey hear me and you stand it. You see,
I dey na yakase mama tu me purum na me na.
But you can't if you understand your journey and what you will get after going through all these things to learn. I don't think so. You cry over it and let it go, because I see those people. Sometimes you are paying your karma. Sometimes too, it's a test, it's a challenge for you. Because me myself, anytime I go through bigger challenges like that, it's it's a breakthrough for me. So sometimes I feel like okay, there a problem maybe in more, but at the end of the day, me any panasa me ya. But at the end of the day, no, obi bia obi ayo bone atwa so, and you feel say it's too much. You just need to heal.
So how can we heal from that?
You see someone that can help you emotionally, but then you now start from your mindset. Make up your mind that you want to heal, you want to feel alive, you want to be born again. The born again is not
born again. No.
Exactly. When we talk about born again, it's like a child that doesn't feel any pain. That only obi any competition, only obi any whether come also or straight. Exactly. So that is what you can born again. That and so healing is something that I always talk about it, because I know said there are wounded souls. Obi ayare. Because someone can have a lot of money and yet still there's no happiness in their heart.
Yeah.
You get into know when we talk about healing is when you look deep inside of yourself, you know say in how, but you don't see any pain. When
you're okay,
you feel like exactly. So when we talk about healing is something that everybody needs to have. It's a birthright.
And then Ola Maame say healing a birthright ankasa. Make a tremo say amen. Your spirituality mo ne de me de mu kosa. Enti aha and a pray bema ye dujuma die esina so misro na wotwe da say ne science na say ye ni Ola Maame ebesan ewramu ene ye do musuo akọ soul travel na ye important kura ne de eye se nipa bia woto a obehwehwe wa brabo misro kai say na wotwe da say ne ye to ankomo so ye to adwuma die ne so. Let your spirituality be your number one priority. Now what should I say ne sign share me Adom TV. So me dey e dey Abena Ghana abono for agudi e brekum de share makra. The journey, the journey. The journey, the journey. The journey.